Welcome back onto our special segment Under the Lens, and Sonal has hopped across to the wall to put the spotlight on IRM Energy. Sonal.
Thank you so much for that. Well, yes, let's talk about IRM Energy. The stock has been on quite a run, up almost 33% just this month when the markets last week did not do so well. But here's the catch. It's still below its October 2023 listing price of 477. So what's the business for this company? IRM is into city gas distribution with networks in Punjab, Daman and Diu and Tamil Nadu as well. It supplies natural gas to factories, shops, households and even autos. The numbers tell you the story. In Q1 of FY26, revenues were 262 crore rupees. Last year, which is in FY25, they made 975 crore rupees, pretty much flat compared to FY24. The bigger issue is margins, which have slid sharply from a high of 37% in FY22 to 17% in FY24, and now around the 10% mark in FY25 and Q1 as well. That shows in profits too. PAT is down from 128 crores in FY22 to just 45 crore rupees last year and 14 crores in the latest quarter. The company, though, is guiding for better times. They expect EBITDA per unit to rise to 5.25 to 5.5 this year, which compares with around 4.6 which they saw in FY25. Plus, they plan to roll out 50 new CNG stations in FY26, which should help volumes as well. There's also regulatory tailwind. Number of zones for pipeline tariffs is being cut from 3 to 2. That's a big plus for IRM because they say 70% of their volumes move to a cheaper zone, which means meaningful cost savings. But investors aren't ignoring the concerns, particularly a 2% royalty payment to IRM Trust, which brokerages like HDFC Securities believe will continue as per the license. That's an extra cost hanging over earnings. Now on to the valuations. IRM trades at around 17 times FY26 earnings. That is in line with IGL also, which trades around 16 times. But it is cheaper than Gujarat Gas, but it is more expensive than MGL, which trades at 9 times. The real gap is in returns. IRM's ROE is only 5.2%, while peers are comfortably in the mid-teens. So yes, the stock has got momentum, but the real test will be whether IRM can lift margins back up and improve returns versus the peers, because it's a subjective market, right? That's what the market will be watching before it gives the company a higher multiple going forward.
Another name in the list of recent outperformers but trading below their IPO price, IRM Energy, our special segment Under the Lens. Sonal, thank you for that deep dive on the stock. The Nifty off the highs of the day at the flat line. The broader markets too have seen a sharper fall from the highs of the day, and that is courtesy the Nifty Bank. We take your leave on this edition of Trading Hour from Sonal and me. Thank you for watching. Halftime report on the other side.